dahil anti-Marcos ang Supreme Court, ako dinisbar. Sinuspandi pa ako ng 1 year, hindi, dinisbar. Kahit na walang dahilan. Ngayon, eto, si BP Inday Sara, nanuntok siya sinuntok niya yung sheriff na nag-i-implement lamang ng order of the court, who is, he was performing his duty as a sheriff, pero sinuntok niya. And yet the Supreme Court did not bother to suspend her.